Right, so hey guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to fix your taskbar not working. So it's a very simple fix. Let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to open PowerShell. Okay, so you're going to go here to your search bar and type in PowerShell. Okay, and you're going to right click on Windows PowerShell right here and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Okay, so here you'll let it load. Okay, so once it loads, I have this code here where it will be in the description. You can just copy and paste it from the description. Okay, and then you're going to paste it here and you're going to press enter. So this will take a while, and you will see error codes or red codes written in red. Don't panic, just let it run all the way through, and once it's done, okay, you're going to close out of this and restart your computer. So after that, hopefully your taskbar issue is fixed. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope it helped, and if you have any other issues, any other problems, please put them down in the comments below. And I think that's about it. So thanks for watching, folks.